My name's Matthew, and today I'm going to walk you around yet another Land Rover Defender. And I say yet another Land Rover Defender because we currently have 4 in stock. That is not an accident. These are such popular, excellent cars. They're one of the most popular selling cars in the UK, and we love them. And here, as always with Boss Motor Company, is another great example. This is a 2022 on a 72 registration Defender 110. It's an X-Dynamic S, and it has an amazing specification. And on top of that, the color scheme is everything you would want on a Defender. It is all blacked out. So we've got Santorini Black paintwork, the full gloss black exterior package, leather inside is also black, and black 22-inch wheels. The car looks incredible. We're going to talk you through some of the features as we go around it, and there's loads of tech on a modern Defender. So we're going to start with the headlights here. We've got the LED matrix headlight. That is a cost option on an X-Dynamic S, so it's really nice to have that with the lovely LED daytime running lights. And then if we look at the front, a lot of this is not by accident. The car has lots and lots of added on features. So we've got the black styling plaque, which includes the letters there on the bonnet. It also includes this front grille bar being color coded to the car, and this lower front grille section as well also being color coded to the car. That is not standard. Adaptive cruise control sits behind the Land Rover badge in the front there. We've got front and rear park distance control. And again, I love the rugged styling of a Defender. I thought this was great when it came out. You know, you can put your coffee cup there so it doesn't fall over when you're sat outside around the car when it's not moving. Keyless entry and keyless go. And if you just open the door and have a look inside, we've got the amazing twin side steps that you can get on the Defender. Again, that's a lovely cost option. And as you go inside, we've got such a mixture of materials inside a modern Defender. Really, really clever. You've got this neoprene style material to all of the door cards, really hard wearing, and that central sort of cross beam in the middle of the car, leather on the seats, and again, just lots of rugged changes to texture, just so you know how well this car is going to last going forward. Privacy glass to the rear 3/4. And as you go inside and have a look, again, these cars are so practical. The space is amazing. And one of the things that you're going to see in a minute is this car has a very, very unusual option of a cloth folding roof, which is a very, very unusual. It's the first one I've seen on the road. Again, let's point out the 22-inch 5-spoke wheels. Again, a big deal on a Defender. These cars, I've repeated it before, all about styling. That's why people buy them. They want the look. They want the way that these cars make them feel. Again, another thing people miss, spare wheel cover. That is a really important styling feature on a modern Defender. And as you go and have a look in the back, we were talking about rugged materials. We were talking about things that make these cars so brilliant to use. How clever is this boot floor? I've said it many, many times. I still think these cars are brilliant. This is all very grippy. It's the same material on the backs of the middle row seats. So when you fold the seats flat and you want to load this car with lots of things, it doesn't move around, it doesn't slide, it grips to the floor. Super clever. Well done, Land Rover. As we shut the rear tailgate, we're going to come around the driver's side of the car. I'm going to jump in and I'm going to run you through some of the tech inside the car. And critically, I'm going to show you that roof because I think it's amazing. But I'm going to switch the car on now. We'll start on the driver's door card and I'll talk you through some of the normal features, but they are great features. So in the driver's mirror there, you've got a little orange light. That's part of the blind spot monitoring system, which this car has fitted to it. We've got electrically heated, auto dimming and power folding mirrors. And we've got the Meridian stereo system in this particular car. On the steering wheel, as I said earlier, we've got adaptive cruise control. Those settings are on the right-hand side. And then we have this lovely multi-function display, which again, believe it or not, is a cost option. It's very important. You can have manual dials or you can have a full digital display. This one has the upgraded display. That can all be adjusted with the left-hand side of the steering wheel. As we move into the console itself, we have PIV Pro. So the infotainment system, it's Land Rover's current infotainment system. It's probably one of my favorite inbuilt infotainment systems. It's very intuitive, very easy to use. We have wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. There's loads of things that you can control in here, like the heated seats. You can do that through the screen. You can also do that through the manual buttons below it. And if I pop the car into reverse, you will see the 360 and surround camera system come to life. And if I tap on one of these cameras here, you will get the 3D version of that bring itself to life as well. It is an amazing feature on modern Defenders, and when you have that box ticked on the option list, it is super useful. If I come out of there and we work our way down the center console itself, we have dual zone climate control, and I was talking about those heated seats. You can also use them by pressing the buttons in the center of this control panel. I do like a button. I really don't like modern cars with screens everywhere. I think there's nothing wrong with a button, and the Defender stays pure to that. And we have this button also here which runs you through all of the typical Land Rover drive modes, so you can drive this car in pretty much any scenario you can imagine. There's USB ports absolutely everywhere, including in the side of this storage system over here, a USB-C and a USB-A down there, massive storage under the gear tunnel, and under here as well, a big storage bin down the center. And if you have a look above me, that is not a glass opening panoramic roof, it is a cloth opening panoramic roof. And it really is very sort of safari style. It's really cool. It gives you a bigger opening than the glass roof. It's very, very fast to fold, and I just think it's fantastic. It's really, really cool. Something a bit different in this particular car. And I'm going to jump out now and just very quickly summarize another fantastic Land Rover Defender. As I said at the beginning of the video, a 2272 Defender 110X Dynamic S with a full Land Rover main dealer service history, a great selection of options, and in my opinion, in probably the most popular color scheme. I hope the video's helped. Thanks for watching.